So another television repair. Same issue. Look at those cracked solder joints. It doesn't have the same issue as the other one. This one just has a horizontal line going through it. Looks like it's possibly another one right there. I'm gonna have to go through this thing. I actually kind of enjoy it. You get to really take a look at the engineering that has to go through a television like this to make it work. I can appreciate how it is made being. It also has service in normal mode. But yeah, I'll go through and I'll resolder those, or if I find anything else, I'll do that. Look at that. Until that's been replaced. But this is a KTV, which I don't really know much about that brand. I know that they made prison CCTV monitors, but this thing has channels on it. It's actually my only 80s like digital TV with a digital tuner. Rest of them are all analog. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this thing. Chroma.